Setting new standards by constant innovation since 1980, Paxo is a world leader in sustainable and cost-effective waste solutions. Now, Paxo invites you to minimize your CO2 footprint and maximize your return on investment. With Longopac, the strongest waste bag in the world and the fastest to change. When time is of the essence and absolutely nothing can go wrong, Longopac is the tested and proven partner you can always rely on. If the pressure is on and the quality of your work depends on perfect timing, Longopac is the practical solution that will never fail you. Longopac is a unique innovation by Paxo, made in Malmö, Sweden.